Hi Taste of Trini family. In today's video, my brother Narie is going to share his recipe for fish broth or fish broth. And in our family, he's considered the fish broth champion. So I promise you, if you follow his recipe, you're going to be a champ in no time. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching to see how he does it. Tell us the ingredients you'll need.
We have okras, carrots, pumpkin, onions, pimento, garlic, hot pepper, different provision,
Green fig,
dashi, sweet potato, cassava, and then we have the hot pepper and celery.
yeah, the celery, that's the last ingredient, and well, the fish. What kind of fish are you using? Okay. And some green seasoning to season it up. Yeah. And golden ray, and he uses Maggi vegetable seasoning. So the oil is heating up in an iron pot.
People just boil everything. Right first.
He says that most people boil the broth, but he likes to chunky it because chunking it actually brings out more of the flavor. So he added in the okras, the pumpkin, carrot, onions, hot pepper, pimentos, garlic. So you're going to chunky all those ingredients for about what, a minute?
Yeah, almost 2 minutes.
So he's adding in the provisions. So he has some aloo or potatoes, sweet potato, dashin, cassava, green fig, and you can add whatever else you want to add, like eddos, you could add yam, any types of provisions you want to add to it. Cook it for a minute. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Okay. And he has some water boiling in the kettle. Because when you add water to this or any liquid, you want to make sure it's boiling so that it doesn't stop the cooking process. So constantly stir it because you don't want it to stick. Okay, so he adds a little bit of ketchup to it now.
Just like soup.
So if they didn't want to add ketchup, can they add tomatoes?
They could, but they won't get the flavor from the ketchup and tomatoes.
The sweetness.
So not too much ketchup, right?
So about a tablespoon and a half.
Yeah. Just to get the color.
Now he's gonna add some boiling hot water to it. Now he's gonna add some boiling hot water to it.
No, if it's not big enough soup like we used to, we don't need hot water because of hot pepper.
Okay. So if you're using a stove with very high heat, then you don't really need to boil the water because it'll come to temperature really quick. So if you're using a small stove like this, then you'll need to boil the water before. So now he's adding in the Maggi vegetable soup mix. This is optional. It gives the broth a little extra flavor. So you don't have to add it if you don't want to. And if you want, you could even add like one of those fish stock cubes. You can add some fish stock instead of water. So there's endless ways you can make a fish broth or fish broth. So you see how the sauce is starting to kind of thicken up? You'll want to add some more hot water. Probably till about halfway up the pot, so about here. Because broth is meant to be very like a thin liquid. It's not like a thick soup. So you'll want to have extra liquid in there. So he's adding some more boiling water. Now he's adding a piece of goldenrod butter. If you don't want to add goldenrod, you could add a piece of salted butter like a Kerrygold or like a... Yeah, you don't have to add it. But this is just his version. And most of you may want to add the butter at the end. He likes to add it at this point. This is the infamous blue chopping board. It break and then stick it up back. Yeah, that's how much they love this chopping board. So he just cutting up the fish. He likes to do that after he chunks the pot. So while the provision's boiling, then he could see about the fish. So he's gonna wash the steaks that he cut up, the fish steaks, and he's using some white distilled vinegar. You can use some lemon or lime as well, and a little bit of flour. So it's nice and clean now. Now it's just time to season it up. So it's time to add the seasonings, the green seasoning.
Add in some table salt.
Okay. You can add just enough salt for now, and then as it's cooking you can taste it and see if it needs any more. It's better to add less than to add more.
Right, so you get it.
Okay, so that's it there, and then we'll add it nearly when the broth is nearly finished cooking. Some more water, and it's been about 20 minutes since this is boiling, so I think the provisions are cooked already. Less? Oh, so about 15 minutes then. So we're just gonna let this boil for a little 5-10 minutes again, and we'll add the fish in. So he's just testing it to make sure it's cooked.
I think so. Especially the cassava.
The cassava?
Yeah, cassava. The cassava need a boiling.
Okay.
The sweet potato boil.
Sweet potato good?
Yeah, the cassava need a boiling.
So leave it for a little 10 minutes. Let the cassava boil and cook properly, and then.
Need a little boiling as well. We're gonna add the fish.
So he's gonna add the seasoned fish now.
for change color. So you're going to taste for some salt. Need some salt.
So this is the last step.
Fish will take like 5 minutes to cook. That's it.
Right.
This is the final step out of the celery. Good to work.
That's it.
That's it.
And just turn the heat off. So now it's just time to eat. It lash. I've had fish broth from many different people, but his is the best. So thank you so much to him for sharing his recipe with us. So I hope you all try it out and I hope you enjoy it.